Nambah.
Ada S. The dog barks at the little girl. Okay?
Dan
Okay, number 7.
all of us admit our mistake.
All of us admit our our mistakes. Okay? So, mistakes. Okay?
Mistake.
Okay. So, admit kena tambah S ke tak?
Tambah. Tak.
Tak. So, just keep as it is. All of us admit our mistakes. Okay. Number 8.
You borrow Azman's storybook.
You borrow Azman's storybooks. Okay, so borrow. You tu ramai ke sikit?
Ramai. Tak, sikit.
Special?
Special.
Special case. Kalau special case ada S ke tak ada S?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Kita tak tahu you tu ramai ke tak. Ramai ke? Kita tak tahu yang ramai ke yang borrow, yang pinjam Azman punya buku cerita. So dia special case. Awak. Tak tahu berapa ramai you tu. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next. Number 9.
Mana ada?
Next
Oh,
page.
betul.
Oh, waktu kelas je baru buka buku ni. Okay. Okay, number 9.
They bring some good news
They bring
for us.
for us. For us. Say?
For us.
Okay. So, they bring some good news for us. For us. They, ramai ke tak?
Ramai?
Okay, so ada S ke tak ada S kat bring?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. So, they bring some good news for us. Full stop. Dan make sure setiap ayat ada titik ya kat ujung. Ada letak titik tak?
Ada.
Okay, good. Now, number 10.
The spectators cheer the winning team.
The spectators
The spectators
cheer
cheer
the winning team.
the winning team.
So, the spectators. Ramai ke sikit?
Ramai.
So, ada S ke tak ada S?
Tak ada.
Good. The spectators cheer the winning team. Done?
Then
Okay. Next, number 11.
one of them is the new pupil.
Okay, one of them tease the new pupil. So, one of them. Ramai ke sikit?
Sikit.
So, ada S ke tak ada S?
Ada.
Okay, so one of them teases the new pupil. Done?
Dan
Okay, next. Number 12. Tease ni apa maksud dia? Tease tu apa maksud dia? Apa maksud tease? T-E-A-S-E.